Hi, I'm Vinod.
Hi, this is Sonia.
Just like everybody, we were also using the refined oils, and we used to stick to one oil. We used to bring 5 to 6 liters at once, and then we used to consume it.
Was that we realized the importance of combination of oil which has to be used in everyday cooking. So we thought of give it a try for getting three oils of different categories like coconut oil, groundnut oil, and sesame oil, each 1 liter.
We went on internet, and then we finally landed on the standard cold press oil. That was the first website that we have come across, and we started to explore. We felt the prices are reasonable, just like the market prices. We placed our order. It got delivered in 3 days. The packaging was good.
The website is very user friendly to place the order, and they have a mobile app too, which is very friendly as well. I have a little bit of knowledge about how wood press oils work. Back in my native, I used to see in local shops, and for my surprise, it was very nice when we started to use in the first recipe itself.
I would like to recollect a small instance that was happening across when we were using our first cold press oils. I'm bad at smelling the food and guessing the aromas. First, we started realizing every day if I step out and then step into house, every time I used to sense the aroma, especially with cold pressed coconut oil of standard cold press oils. It was very aromatic. The whole house used to be aromatic. I used to every time walk to Sonia and ask if this is cold press, if this is coconut oil, and most of the times my coconut oil guess used to go right, and the other oils used to sometime go bad. But finally, the overall conclusion is the first impressions are really good, and then it helped us in continuing with the cold press oils down the line. It's 2 years. We are still continuing with standard cold press oils.
Apart from cooking oil, they do have castor oil, neem oil as well. We use the neem oil for lighting diya to overcome mosquitoes as a herbal relief. Apart from cold press oils, they have wide variety of healthy options, which is jaggery, honey, pink salt, and healthy snacks like chicky, sesame balls. And we have tried their other options as well. Jaggery was so good, and we tried honey as well.
Sonia, how about do we have stock of these oils? The reason why is being this as rainy season, I thought we have to keep our bodies warm internally. So I thought we'll place the sesame balls up there, and if any oils is still need to be stocked up, we will stock it up.
Oh. Yeah, you are right. So we are actually running out of oil, so let us go place the
And
order for this month.
okay, fine, cool.